Hi everyone! Sa video na ito ay ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano gamitin ang factor theorem. The factor theorem states that if p of c equals 0, then x minus c is a factor of polynomial p of x. Bakit nga ba siya natawag na factor theorem? Narito ang proof kung bakit ang x minus c ay sinabing factor ng p of x. By division algorithm na dividend equals quotient times divisor plus remainder, papalitan natin ito ng symbols para mas madali nating maintindihan. Yung dividend, papalitan natin ng p of x equals, yung quotient naman, q of x, then yung divisor is equal to x minus c. So, lagyan natin ng bracket. Plus, ang remainder naman ay r. By the remainder theorem, kung hindi nyo pa napapanood yon, i-click nyo lang dito sa taas para mapanood nyo. Yung remainder theorem states that p of x equals q of x times x minus c plus yung, di ba yung r, equivalent niya is p of c. Next, if p of c equals 0, by substitution, papalitan natin ito ng 0. So, p of x equals q of x times x minus c plus 0 by substitution. Then, simplify. P of x equals q of x times x minus c. So, the factor theorem states that x minus c is a factor of p of x. So, ito yung proof ng factor theorem. Kung gusto nyong malaman kung paano to gamitin, just keep on watching.
Hello mga anak shis! Welcome to Math TV PH. Ang channel na ito ay tungkol sa math tutorials, lectures, or discussions na Tagalog at Taglish na dedicated sa lahat ng mga estudyante. Kung interesado ka, please like, subscribe, at i-click mo na rin ang notification bell para ma-notify ka kapag may bago akong upload na video.
Good day everyone! Ang example natin ay determine which of the following binomials are factors of p of x equals 2x cubed minus 7x squared minus 5x plus 4. A, x plus 1, b, x minus 4, c, x minus 2, and d, x minus 1 half. Para malaman natin kung ang mga binomials na to ay factors ng p of x, dapat yung remainder niya dapat ay 0. Para madali nating mahanapan ang remainder niya, gagamitin natin ang remainder theorem. So, kailangan ninyong malaman kung paano mag-solve ng remainder theorem. I-click nyo lang dito sa taas para alam ninyo muna yon. Using the remainder theorem, unahin natin yung x plus 1. Titingnan natin kung ito ba ay factor ng p of x. Ang una natin gagawin, kukunin natin yung value indicator ng divisor. So, nagturo ako ng iba't ibang paraan para makuha yung value indicator niya. At ang pinakamabilis na paraan ay kukunin mo lang yung opposite ng positive 1. So, the opposite of positive 1 is equal to negative 1. So, letter A, x equals negative 1. Then, yung negative 1 isa-substitute natin sa x. So, p of negative 1 equals 2 times negative 1 cubed minus 7 negative 1 squared minus 5 times negative 1 plus 4. Then, simplify. P of negative 1 equals 2. Negative 1 cubed equals negative 1 minus negative 1 squared equals positive 1 times 7 equals 7. Negative 5 times negative 1 equals positive 5 plus 4. Then simplify. P of negative 1 equals 2 times negative 1 equals negative 2 minus 7 plus 5 plus 4. Then the final answer is negative 2 minus 7 equals negative 9 plus 5 equals negative 4 plus 4 equals 0. So, the remainder is 0. Ibig sabihin, yung x plus 1 ay factor ng p of x. Next, letter B, x minus 4. So, ano ulit ang value indicator niya? That is positive 4 dahil ang opposite ng negative 4 ay positive 4. Then, substitute sa x. So, p of positive 4 equals 2 times 4 cubed minus 7, 4 squared, minus 5 times 4 plus 4. Then, simplify. P of positive 4 equals 4 cubed times 2 is equal to 128. 4 squared is equal to 16 times negative 7 equals negative 112. Negative 5 times 4 is equal to negative 20 plus 4. Then, simplify. 128 minus 112 minus 20 plus 4 equals 0. So, the remainder is 0. Ibig sabihin, yung x minus 4 ay factor din ng p of x. Next, yung c naman. So, what is the value indicator here? Ang opposite ng negative 2 ay positive 2. Substitute natin sa x. So, p of positive 2 equals 2 times 2 raised to 3 minus 7 times 2 raised to 2 minus 5 times 2 plus 4. Then, simplify. P of positive 2 equals 2 cubed equals 8 times 2, 16. Minus 2 squared is equal to 4 times 7 equals 28. Negative 5 times 2 equals negative 10 plus 4. Then simplify. P of positive 2 equals 16 minus 28 minus 10 plus 4 is equal to negative 18. So, ang remainder niya ay negative 18. Ibig sabihin, yung x minus 2 is not a factor of p of x. X minus 1/2. So, the opposite of negative 1/2 is positive 1/2. Next, substitute 1/2 sa x. So, p of 1/2 equals 2 times 1/2 cubed minus 7 times 1/2 squared minus 5 times 1/2 plus 4. So, p of 1/2 equals 1/2 cubed is equal to 1 over 8 times 2 is equal to 1/4. Minus 1/2 squared is equal to 1/4 times 7 is equal to 7 over 4. Minus 1/2 times 5 is equal to 5 over 2. Plus 4. Then, simplify. So, dito hindi ko na-explain kung paano nakuha yung product ng mga fractions dahil I assumed na alam nyo na kung paano mag-multiply ng mga fractions at kung paano mag-subtract. So, the final answer is p of 1/2 equals, para makuha natin yung final answer, find the LCD. The LCD is 4. 4 divided by 4 equals 1 times 1, 1. Minus 4 divided by 4 equals 1 times 7 equals 7. Minus 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2 times 5 equals 10. Then 4 divided by 1 equals 4 times 4 equals 16. Then simplify. 1 minus 7 minus 10 equals negative 16 plus 16 equals 0 over 4. Then 0 divided by 4 equals 0. So, the remainder is 0. Ibig sabihin yung x minus 1/2 is a factor of p of x. A, B, and D are factors of p of x. So, ganun lang. Gamit ng factor